So incoming, she might be a 1952 because the serial number is so beat up. You know what? I'll put a still at the end of this to show the serial number. Apparently somebody was trying to fudge something. So, her case is a beast. Not even kidding. I know this is a lackluster video for sure. So it shows a lot of wear down here. Paint's gone, decal's gone. This one, like if the rest of them were good, I would leave it. That one's pretty good. And that one's pretty good. Oh, so how do I treat her? Ugh, could you imagine cleaning this up? I didn't swing this open yet. That'd be nasty. So hold on, I will come back and show you the underneath of this girl. Because, what? Oh, this is going to be fun. Alright, be right back. So first let me show you this because this looks like it was like, in an oil spill. So I'm not even touching that with a glove. Because as soon as I'm done with the video, I'm pulling that off and it's going in the trash. And then here's below the machine. And hold just a second. Oh, the flash is on. Interesting. The flash is on. Does that make it better? The serial number, somebody etched over. So it's kind of hard to decipher. It might be an AL, but looks like an AB, but I don't think ABs were assigned to featherweights. But I will look that up. Then there's this hunk of mess. Ugh. Yuck. Well, I didn't run it. I probably will test run it before I take it apart. But it's pretty disgusting. Even here. She does have her power block. She does have a motor. Let's hope it works. This belt, I don't know, doesn't seem like an original belt, but it could be. And other parts of her are beautiful. And then there's the disaster. Look, the light with bulb. That's not terrible. This looks clean. That looks clean, but the rest of the machine looks disgusting. So I think what happened is whoever was using this just used it, never maintained it, just kept throwing oil in it as they needed to throw oil in it. Let's do this. Thread. Oh. At least the hook is there. The bobbin's there. The bobbin case is there. It's a Semanco, which is awesome. She's dirty, but dirty is easy. And like I said, I will run it just to give it a test run to see if it's a motor that can be revived. But all in all, I really just feel like this was a machine that somebody was using and didn't really do maintenance on it. Just really did throw oil in it, use it. Throw oil in it, use it. She's not in terrible condition. So I wonder, look, even this decal isn't terrible, but this, decisions, and then there's here. So I had this open already. Well, I'm going to open up the nose plate, I call it, the needle plate, needle bar plate, and open up another video. Be right back. So this was cool that I didn't notice at first. She has this kind of filigree embossed needle bar plate, and the back is not horrible. Interesting machine, very interesting machine. And I know this could have been added later, but considering how they took care of this machine, I don't think any love was given to it. But here's inside here. And let me move my light up a little bit. And she's not stuck. Okay, that could be nicotine. I've gotten that off before, if that's what it is. Even if it's not, I could get that off and get it cleaned up. She has her foot. She had a needle in her. Of course, I took it out. The first thing I did. And she's not terrible. Let's turn her around. Let's turn her around and see what we got. A motor. Oh, she's scratched up back here. Nothing. Again, that's nothing, but the thing is now what to do with her. That decal is good. Wow. I got this one too, you know, painted up as a gift for someone who wants a very special color. But I really don't know. She almost looks like she could be salvaged. I wish I knew what year this was, and I wish I knew, this is disgusting. This is what I'm looking at, going, this is disgusting. Do you see the slick on here? Why? Like I said, this machine was probably oiled and oiled and oiled and oiled and oiled, and let's put some oil in it. Let's oil it and use it. Oil it and use it. She has a little nick right there. But yeah, is that nicotine? Because it's a little darker than usual. She doesn't smell. I mean, next thing I'll show you is her case. And really, you know, the reason why I got this is for the parts. And it was a super bargain. Super bargain. And I say sometimes maybe they just didn't know what they had. But anyway, I'm going to show you the case next. Be right back. And now for the case. So I find this interesting. I have an old case. I have an old Singer from Featherweight from 53. And I don't think it looks quite this old. Oh, that wasn't nice. And then the bottom of the case, I hope you could see that, is completely off the machine. So it's kind of going to stay in the bag. Now let me flip the thing around. I have a better case with bad locks, and I have this bad case with good locks, which, again, makes things a little crazy. You do that. Apparently this was Stevens. Aha. Can you see the bottom of the cases down there? Couple of webs, which don't scare me like they used to. And then I was surprised to find that it came with a bunch of goodies. Let's see if I can get this over here. Yeah. It even came with, there we go, Singer 2020 needles. Does that help? 15 by 1, 3, size 14 needles. And it says on here 60 to 80 cotton, A silk. And there's one left in there. I'm not going to bore you with all this stuff. Here's the foot pedal. Now, is this the color the foot pedal was, or did something happen here? If somebody could tell me. Again, I'll open this up later and show you how good or how bad it is. Another bunch of needles. Brand new package. Whew. Funky cord. Well, of course I'll test the cord out. This looks like an original. I'll test the cord out because you know what? I'll check it and see if it's not eaten. If it's not eaten, maybe I'll plug it in. There's the original connector. I know, don't you appreciate the one gloved hand and the one not gloved hand? You know what's funny? I kept the glove off of this hand to touch my phone, and I bought a remote and I forgot to get it started. I'm going to spill it out. Should I spill it out? Yeah, spill it out. Well, here's the booklet. Here's the booklet. Let's see if anybody wrote anything in here. No. Do these booklets have dates? Would that be indicative of anything? Let's see. It does not. Well, the last copyright on this is 1941. I don't know if that's indicative of anything. Is that the last year that they updated this? 1941. So, I'm not sure what year the machine is, because like I said, the a crochet hook, but I know a lot of people use these to clean out the bobbin case. So, somebody cared a little bit. I have one of these, and now I have another one. It's a ruffler. It's a ruffler. Oh, a ruffler. The thread cutter is off the machine. Well, now I have to look and see. Is there another one on the machine? Nope. Yep, this was taken off the machine. So there's a thread cutter. You know what? I'm going to throw it back in the bag. And the ruffler. I have used the ruffler. And this is this a zipper foot? Is this 2 pieces? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here's the magnet. Made in Japan. What a surprise. A Swifty magnet. That might be indicative of who was using this and what year. This goes to this. This is a guide. You put this on here. It could be a zipper foot. I'm not sure. It's a cording foot or a zipper foot. So there's that. Don't get bored. This is for I'll look it up, but I'll give you the number. The number is 368865, and it's Mark Singer. And is it to attach ribbons or binding? And then there's this one. This is for rolled hems, like if you're going to do a rolled hem on a tablecloth or something. This will also do a binding, so the other one may not be a binding foot. This is a guided foot. I will look it up and put it in the notes. Does it have a number on it? Somewhere. But I have one of these, and I tried it out, and it's okay. And another foot. This could be a cording foot. No, this is another rolled edge foot. But you know what? One day I should try all of these things out and show those. But anyway, I was surprised, and I didn't know it when I bought it, that the tray was in there. So I had actually asked, don't send me the case because I don't want it. And I guess they didn't get that note. So here it is. And now I'm kind of like, well, that could be its own project, right? That could be its own project. And yeah, so whatever I do the machine, I could match up with the case. And just in case for you eagle-eyed people, I was testing this on something. Does this give you an idea of who might want this machine? We'll see though. It's really not my cup of tea. But we'll see. Not committing to anything. I have commitment issues. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. The pupper is over there watching, but I can't really get him in the photo. Anyway. Welcome to my workshop. Right now it's my workshop. And cut. Well, you know, I figured I would show you kind of what I do when you get a cord. I should open this. I won't right now. I don't want to find anything peculiar, but look at your cord. See if there are any serious like kinks in it. Is there a knot in it? Is it like, if you see the cord and the cord looks pretty good like this really looks good considering. She's a little curled up. Check it on both sides of the cord. Use my hand to feel like if anything is cracked. Nothing seems to be messed up on this cord, and the connection looks perfect. And look at that. That looks perfect. I don't think anybody ever monkeyed with that one. And she looks good. So I think when I test it, I'm going to test that motor. Maybe I'll do it now. I'm going to test that motor how I usually do it with the block, with the power brick. So I don't light up my life any better than it's lit up already. And at some point I'll open this and show you too, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm actually going to test it. So let me get the machine and let me get the brick. Should be right here. Hello, where are you? Here's the brick. They say plug it into the brick before you plug it into your machine. But you know what? This isn't a wall outlet. Okay, it's in. Okay, nothing exploded. Why would it explode? It's not plugged into anything. Okay, let's do that. The machine over here. Get this plugged in. And you know, I don't know why they did this, but they were always upside down to me. That's a special one. And now I'm going to put the power on the brick. I don't hear anything bad. I don't hear anything bad happening. Do I have a light? Whoa. The light bulb is good. Let's hear the motor. Okay, she dims. So I feel safe enough to put that down. Bobbin winder is going to work. Yeah. All right, I'm not going to push my luck here because I don't want to like damage the machine. I know that, you know, as you saw, she had a ton of oil in her. So I don't think that I could do any damage. She's not locked up. It's not dried up. Like, I didn't put oil in here and the oil is wet from whoever did this the last time. Is that crazy? Oh, that's crazy. They must have just doused it. Let me open this again. And why is there a spring on here? Anybody know why? There's a spring on here that's kind of attached. So if you know why it's on there and it's indicative of something like its year, please tell me. There, you see in there? Yeah. Is it grease? Could be a combination. I don't know if I could pick this machine up enough for you to see. You see the fork? Do you see the fork looks like somebody used it recently? To eat some, I don't know, stroganoff? Oatmeal? Something gooey. Anyway. Oh, I should have done this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. You know, because I don't have a piece of fabric around me, right? Let's see if her reverse works. Yep. Oop. See now, that's blinking red. She gets unplugged. Power brick goes off. And that happens to me sometimes, not that there's something necessarily wrong, but sometimes it just shows me, it's indicative of too much draw. Like it must have been too much, it might have been too much draw. With the motor and the light running it was too much draw for the power brick. Let me see. Oh, she's fully charged. Anyway, that's it, folks. That's it for the mess. If anybody knows why this is here, it doesn't seem like it's something that comes off. It's kind of attached. Not gunky. It's not gunky. It is attached. So is that an aftermarket thing that somebody put on there? Anyway, I don't see anything else that I could show you that is of great interest. I'm going to take this light bulb out. And I'm going to keep looking for signs of what year she is. Because like I said, I can't really see the serial number. Somebody fudged it up a little bit. And I'm just going to, you know, surf the web and see who has good ideas of how to lift that. I tried already with paper. I think I brought it inside. Oh, here. I tried already to do the, you know, the scratching, and then you get the number to come up. Sorry. Do the scratching, and then you get the number to come up, almost like it's Braille. But it says that it's an AB, and I think ABs are assigned to 66s. So I am not so sure. AB... I don't know. I'm really guessing AB 000588. These were my predictions. But it might be an AL because the ALs were assigned to 221s. Anyhow, here she goes down another adventure. Down the road to another adventure. Anyhow, thanks for watching. The gloves are coming off.